Okay, I'm back. I was gonna say it would be ending, so might as well end. So yeah, you guys take care. You guys take care. I don't know, man. OBS is crashing. My PC is not even hot. I wonder why. What is going on? And it's exploding, you know. But yeah, redeem first. Man, you're cheating. You are cheating. But yeah, I will be heading out. Thanks anyone that stopped by. But yeah, I don't know why it's crashing. I don't know why OBS is crashing. Yeah, so far, the face, the eyes. They are done. I need to make the tongue, fix the tongue, put some texture on the tongue and on the mouth, inside the mouth. But the main stuff are done. Then I can do some hair, continue with the body, you know, that kind of stuff. But yeah, I will see you guys when I see you. Take care and yeah, bye bye, goodbye. I don't think I need an outro because you this only. Bye, Jackie Mans. Thank you for staying by. I don't know why I'm exploding, man. By the way, let's see. Should I raid anyone? Let's see. Ah, Nimrod is in here. Look at Nimrod. Might as well, right? Slash raid Nirn. He's a French demon that plays games. He's currently playing Red Dead Redemption, complete opposite of how do you call it? Of art, but she does 3D modeling sometimes. Go say hi to her. Let me see. Let's see. Some people made these as my rate. For a copy. This is the Kobe pasta. So you can copy it and paste it when you go there. So yeah, you guys take care. See you. Bye bye. See you when I see you.